How to find moderation lists on your Bluesky account. What's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily find your moderation list on your Bluesky application. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. Now, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Bluesky. And once you open up your application, you will be landed on your home page. So just make sure that you're logged into your account. And from there, you just want to tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. It will bring out another menu, or you can just swipe right on your screen. And now you just have to tap on the settings icon. Then after this, under privacy and security, you will find the moderation option. Just tap on it. And here you will see different options like muted words and tag, moderation lists, muted accounts, blocked accounts, and under content filters, you'll find enable adult content and non-sexual or nudity. So to find your moderation list, you just tap on the second option. And if you have any list created on your account, the list will show up right here. And if you want to create a new one, you can just tap on new, and on the list name you can write, for example, spammers, or on the description you can add whatever is bugging you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.